Hey there and welcome to the Qlindo channel. Today we're going to explore Elon Musk's green energy vision and how Qlindo can help you be a part of this sustainable future. We'll cover what green energy is, its benefits, types and examples, and how Qlindo enables you to invest in green real estate and energy projects. The content provided in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and shall not be considered as financial advice. So let's dive in. Green energy, also known as renewable energy, comes from natural sources like sunlight, wind, and water. These resources are constantly replenished and tend to have a much lower environmental impact compared to traditional energy sources. There are various types of green energy, including solar power, wind energy, hydroelectric power, geothermal energy, and biomass energy. Elon Musk, a visionary entrepreneur, has been a strong advocate for renewable energy. He believes that transitioning to sustainable energy sources is crucial for our planet's future. With companies like Tesla and SolarCity, Elon has been driving innovation in electric vehicles, solar power, and energy storage solutions, pushing the world towards a greener future. There are many benefits to investing in green energy. Not only does it help preserve our natural resources, but it also offers economic advantages such as job creation and energy cost saving. Green energy is also a more sustainable choice, reducing our dependence on finite resources like fossil fuel. Investing in green energy projects can provide an attractive return on investment. As the demand for sustainable energy continues to grow, governments around the world are implementing policies to promote green energy adoption, making it an even more attractive investment opportunity. Let's take a closer look at the different types of green energy and their advantages. Solar power. Solar energy is harnessed from the sun and is a clean, abundant, and renewable source of energy. It can be used for electricity generation, heating, and even transportation. Wind energy. Wind energy is created by harnessing the power of the wind to generate electricity. It's a clean, renewable energy source that can help reduce our dependence on fossil fuel. Hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power is generated by the movement of water through turbines. It's a renewable and reliable energy source that contributes to energy security. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is derived from the Earth's natural heat. It's a reliable and renewable energy source that can be used for heating, cooling, and electricity generation. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is produced from organic materials such as plants and waste. It's a renewable and sustainable energy source that can be used for heating, electricity generation, and transportation. Hydrogen. The untapped sustainable energy source, hydrogen, is often overlooked when discussing renewable energy, but it holds great potential as a clean and versatile fuel source. Produced through water electrolysis, where water molecules are split into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity, hydrogen can be generated using renewable energy sources. This makes hydrogen an excellent candidate for sustainable fuel production. Interestingly, hydrogen is connected to SpaceX's Starship in a unique way. Starship currently utilizes methane as its primary fuel, which is produced through the Sabatier reaction. In this process, hydrogen generated from water electrolysis reacts with carbon dioxide to produce methane and water. By utilizing renewable energy sources for this process, Starship can ensure a more sustainable and environmentally friendly fuel production. As we explore the realm of renewable energy, it's essential to consider the potential of hydrogen and its role in sustainable fuel production. Like Elon Musk's approach with SpaceX's Starship, leveraging hydrogen in innovative ways can pave the way for a greener future. Each of these green energy types offer unique advantages, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. This is where Qlindo comes in. Our mission is to make green real estate and energy investments accessible to everyone. By investing in Qlindo tokens, you're directly investing into a diverse portfolio of green projects like solar power plants, energy-efficient buildings, and wind farms. Our token is backed by real-world assets, providing security and stability in the crypto market. As a Qlindo token holder, you'll be part of a thriving community focused on sustainable investment. You'll have access to resources and information to help you make informed decisions and maximize your investment potential. At Qlindo, we provide a number of distinctive features that differentiate us from other investment options. Hassle-free investment. With Qlindo, you can invest in green real estate and energy projects without the complexities of traditional investment models. Simply purchase Qlindo tokens and let our team of experts manage the portfolio. Crypto token with real-world collateral. Qlindo tokens are backed by a diverse portfolio of green projects, providing you with the security and stability you need in the crypto market. Access to a network of professionals. As a Qlindo community member, you'll have access to a network of green real estate and energy professionals who can help you navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of sustainable investments. A focus on education and empowerment. We're dedicated to providing our community with the resources and information they need to make informed decisions about their investments and contribute to a greener future. That's it for today. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of green energy, its benefits, and how Qlindo can help you invest in a sustainable future. If you want to learn more about Qlindo and our mission, be sure to visit our website and follow us on social media for the latest updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Together, we can make a difference and contribute to a greener, more sustainable future for our planet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.